loves. So I didn't film an intro, so I'm so sorry. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to do some shopping, looking at some makeup, some good priced makeup, and some goodies, just looking for some stuff. So I'm with my friend right now, and she's just shopping with me. She's a little camera shy, so I'm not gonna put her in the camera as much, you know, just to respect her. So let me take you guys along to shopping with me. Look, it's the Beauty Blender foundations, and they're only $12.99.
Those are cute.
You sound so genuine. That's cute. Like when someone's like, look at this. I wonder if that would be my shade just looking at it. I don't know. But they have a lot. And then Carm found a bunch of good Makeup Revolution palettes. So I'm going to get a few of those. The chocolate truffle. And then... oh, did you see that there's two different shades, or are they both the same? Oh, they're both the same. The highlights. And then I seen this. This is the e.l.f. foundation serum. What does that mean?
Foundation serum. I think you put it on before foundation, right?
Like a primer? For $3.99. It looks cool. To create a natural glow with a lightweight vitamin infused foundation. Okay. This, I know a lot of people are raving about that one. Never mind, it does look pretty. $3.99. That's not bad at all. Then we got some Pixie. $12.99. You see me squat.
You are.
Also, I know. I wish they had them out, because like this little rock one right here is $6.99. I wonder if it's the same as the other one. And this one is $6.99. I wonder. Look, you guys, I found another one. This one is $6.99. I could put the brushes in there. And then someone put this back, so I wonder what this is. Kiss lashes, $3.99. They don't look bad. Not, oh, the Lorac illuminating highlighter, $3.99.
So you remember these little boxes?
Broken. Yes, they had that one out for ColourPop for the Barbie one.
Oh yeah, I think this is it. It's Barbie.
Oh, what? How much is that one? I can act like I got the PR.
$12.99.
Hey, that's not bad.
I don't think so. I don't think
it's part of the ColourPop. It's just we can fake the funk.
Yeah.
Look, I seen this. I'm tempted to get it, but I know I won't use it. It's a sleeping mask. I used to love watching Nicole Guerrero use her lip mask. And this one goes for $22.99. That's not bad. So foaming body scrub, Unicorn Dreams. Exfoliate and hydrate. Oh, I'm so tempted. And this one is $3.99. And then I seen these. Hyaluronic acid overnight treatment. $4.99. Oh, this one's watermelon. What is this overnight treatment también? I think I just want to get this one because it looks pretty badass. Like to have in the bathroom. It looks cool. Huh.
Oh, you know what? I was thinking of going to wax, like getting my wax thing.
Like Brazilian?
Add it? No.
Oh.
Like to add it to like nail services.
Oh, you should. Especially because like girls do their knuckles.
You tried these, right?
Don't use those, you guys. Don't burn my eyebrows, my armpits. Don't use those. That left my armpits looking ugly. You seen it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look. So Carm found this one, and for $7.99. I just hope it doesn't like leave my body feeling oh, this one has Himalayan.
Oh my god, girl, I thought you're gonna fucking get this one.
Oh.
This looks like Himalayan salt. You know. Well,
I was thinking about this one, antioxidant, relaxing, natural.
Like, no, girl.
That's not how you do it. That's cute. Look, you guys, I'm gonna put how I had it. This is how I was telling Carm, like, yeah, I guess. And she was like all offended, so I was like, yeah, it's okay. And then she comes in and just, are you gonna get it? Because that's like way cute.
No, this is for you.
No, it's for you. She's always trying to make me buy. It says good vibes only. Dude, that's really cute.
Yeah, for your makeup budget.
Okay, take that back. She's cute. Look, you guys. Not bad. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome to my channel. So today's video, I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys would like to see like a makeup tutorial, get ready makeup tutorial, or go with me shopping and show you guys what I got, like a makeup haul. So you guys chose the makeup haul. So here we are, which I'm excited. So first, I went to Sephora. I didn't film this part because they're always like just following me, which is so weird. And I should just bust out the camera, huh? Like, but I don't. I get like really nervous because it's not just like one, it's like two, and you're just like, and you just feel awkward, you know? And most of the time I'm talking to like my mom or something when I go into Sephora. I need like the company, you know? So like I call my mom, like, hey mom, what's up? And so when they're following me, like I tell my mom, like, yeah, like they're like literally staring at me. Like they're acting like they're putting something away when they're really not. Like they're just staring and they're just like, and they just walk away. It's just so obvious. Like they really just, it's not even like, cause I know some people, I know when I say like, oh, they're staring at me, some people are like, oh, it's because like maybe they watch you on YouTube. Like, calm down. I'm not that girl. And no, it's just like, they're like looking like, what are you doing? You know what I mean? It's like that weird icky feeling. Or like, is there anything I can help you with today? Something that you know, there's like a price range you're trying to stay in. Get out of my face. So I did get the Natasha Denona. This is the all neutral. And look how gorgeous this one looks. This palette, it just screams gorgeous. Now, Natasha Denona is expensive. Like just because I like makeup, like I'm still like really like, is it worth it? So I'm going to try it out and give you guys like an honest opinion on what I think. I think I should do like a separate video where we can just play with some high-end makeup and see what we think. She was a pretty penny. I hit a goal that I had in mind of something personal and I hit it. So I was like, okay, it's okay. Like I tell myself like, it's okay. Like even though it still hurts, like, it's okay. But we'll see if it's worth it or not. I'll definitely let you guys know. And when I stopped by in Arizona, I got my makeup done by my really good friend and she was using this one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush bronzer. Now I'm not wearing it now. Right now I'm wearing the Juvia's Place. When I played with this in my previous story time, I was like I really liked it. I didn't think like it was, you know how some things are like expensive. Like I was telling my husband, sometimes things are expensive. I'm like, I can find something that like works just similar, like a drugstore item. But then there's sometimes you use something and you're like, damn, like you can feel and see a difference, you know? And that's what I got with. I didn't want to like it. I did not want to like it because this is expensive to me and totally worth it. You're pretty. I wanted to talk about her so bad when I was using her in the story time, but I know some of you guys are like, let's just stay on the story. Stay on the story. So I'll talk about her now. She's freaking bomb. So if you're trying to splurge and you want a high-end bronzer, highly recommend this one. She's gorgeous. If you guys have any recommendations on any makeup from Sephora, let me know down below. I would love to check them out. A lot of you guys have been recommending this one too, so thank you very much. I am very happy with this purchase. I put everything back in this package. If you guys are like, what the heck is she doing? I put everything back in this package for like the first few good months, and then after I'm like, and I don't put it back in. Marshalls. I pretty much recorded just Marshalls, I believe, yeah. So I went with a really good friend and we were looking at some stuff. I wasn't supposed to get anything really. I was like, I'm just looking, but I'm terrible. I'm bad, especially if someone's like, oh, look at this. I'm like, oh my God, that's so pretty. And if there's two, it's like, it's meant to be. It's like the makeup god's telling me like, you're welcome, bitch. And I'm like, thanks. I love Revolution. This one was $6.99 and it says it usually goes for $12. So that's another reason too where I'm like, you see, I have to. So it kind of reminds me of like the Too Faced chocolate bars. And this is it. Oh, I was about to be pissed if I seen that there was a smudge, but there's not. So this is how it looks. I'm pretty freaking excited to see how it performs. And I love how big the mirror is. Like, look at that. That's actually really pretty. and flip. I know a lot of people like highlighting with like a shade like this. Like even Alondra and Elsie had it in their BH, but I can't pull that off. I don't know, it's because like I'm more morena or what, but I can't pull it off. This one, yeah, that's pretty. Maple, now that I look at it, it looks like a really like gray. I don't really like using a gray bronzer on me. It makes me look like death, or like if I didn't eat my Cheetos, but you know I did. So I know why it looks like that. Even the waffle bronzer looks like it's gonna be a little bit too orange. Son of a bitch. We'll still try it out though. I might like it on my eye. You never know. I got this one, which was $6.99 as well. This is the Red Velvet eyeshadow. It was gorgeous. Like really, really pretty. I like it. And it's $6.99, you know? So budget friendly for sure. And there was a lot of these. So I can't wait to see how they perform and how I like them on the lid. And then I saw these on clearance. This one was $3. So I saved $1, right? If they're originally $5, now they're only, okay, so I saved $2, mi como. I thought it'd be really cute to put them like in the back. Do I need it? No, but did I see it and I wanted it? Yes. Ugh. It's literally it's so hard when I go shopping because I get convinced very easily. But here are these two. And then this one, good vibes only. You guys know I'm always saying that, like good vibes only. And me and Carm, my friend that I went shopping with, that's our thing. Like we keep saying like good vibes, good vibes. So she put them like this and I was like, so it just worked out. So I ended up getting 3. So yeah. And then I seen this top, which was $5.99. Look how cute that is. I love this like mustard color. I just think it makes the skin just like pop, and I just feel like a freaking bad bitch when I wear colors like this. I don't know, more like it's like earthy tones. So I feel more, I don't know. I'm a Leo, so I tend to gravitate towards the colors like this. I'm buying myself more crop tops, trying to stay dedicated to the workout game, all right? And then last but not least from Marshalls, I picked this up, which is $4, and it's an L foundation serum. I thought it was just like a serum to put underneath your foundation, but then on top it says fair to light. So stupid. So I will be putting this in the giveaway bin for FAMBAM because there's no point of me like wasting it and trying it on when one of you guys can have it. They didn't have like a lot of high-end makeup. Next, we went to Ulta because I'm obsessed with that place. And I wanted to look. Even though half of the time I walk out of there with nada, I still want to look, you know? So I seen this. This is the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation in Natural Toffee. I'm hoping this is my shade because there was, like, it goes from like another shade, but there's no in between. So I grabbed this one. I hope it fits me. I really do. I'll be using it very, very soon, I promise. And then the Kylie concealers were only $5. So I picked up Buttermilk. We still can't swatch anything or, you know, any of that because of course what's going on. But it was $5. And even though I know they run peaky peach tones, I was like, let me just like, I shouldn't have got it. I shouldn't have got it. Like that's too, it's not gonna work for me. I need to start listening to my inner makeup self. No, do you need it? No. And then I did get the Liquid Camouflage Catrice, lasts for 12 hours. It's waterproof, and this is Desert Beige. I think this is going to be a good match. Yeah, that's gonna be a good match. I like it to highlight underneath and cover. This looks like it's going to look nice. So I'm excited for that. And make sure you use that $3.50 off. Go on the internet, on your phone, go to Ulta website. It'll pull it up, get that $3.50. They don't tell you, unless you got someone cool as hell and they like their job, they don't tell you. Like it hurts them, I don't know. Makes their ass itch or something. I got the Kiss Lashes Royal Silk. These are beautiful. I love them for like a simple look or like a very, very glam look. Just pop them on, boom, you're ready to go. Very easy to apply it to. The band is just super like light and not so thick, and it kicks butt. You can wear the lashes more than once. I swear I get like, when people tell me like they wear like their lashes once, or like, oh, lashes are so expensive, like I only use it one time and throw them away. I'm like, why? Like, why? Reuse those up into like, ya no puedes. Like, it looks like, dude, what are you doing? Don't. you know? So I've seen this, and I've been seeing this go around on TikTok, and people say like, oh my God, it's amazing. The Soap and Glory, the scrub of your life. The bumps are gone from the backs of your arms. A ver pues, because I got bumps right here. So, and it kicks in when I have me some Coke, like, so hopefully it'll go away, because that would be like really nice. I really like that. And then I've been seeing this brand, and I keep like putting it off. I'm like, no, I don't need it. I don't need it. But I was like, okay, I caved in. This is a Carter Beauty by Marissa Carter, Warm Velvet. And it was 10 bucks. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna give you guys some thoughts and opinions on it and let you guys know what I think. I'm pretty sure it's gonna do well just by, like if I'm watching that, just by eyeballing it. But I honestly think it will. I think I'm like, okay. I don't know Marissa Carter. I just want to guess because I've been seeing more YouTubers in Walmart. She's a YouTuber, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. Next thing I got was the Profusion Smoky Palette. I've been really into like smoky eyes again. I know this is like a cut crease, but I didn't cut the crease. I just like laid it down like that. Been like more into that lately, and especially these shades. I'm like, oh, this is going to be beautiful. So Vanessa called and I had to take the phone call, so that's why my hair is braided now, because I was talking to her and I started doing my hair. Anyways, I feel like this is going to be such a pretty palette to play around with, especially because like Sandstorm and Nutmeg and Teleport are just calling to me. And I feel like I don't really play with a lot of grays. I feel like I've only done like a couple of tutorials using gray palettes, so I want to kind of transition more into using like cool tone palettes. So I picked up that one, and then I seen this one, the Wet n Wild Color Icon, and this is Lights Off, and it kind of is like the same cool tones. They're not the exact same. Yeah, this one has like a green in it. They're not the same, but they're cool tones. So I hope you guys enjoyed the kind of like follow me along. I will try to do more. You know, I just overthink things and I need to stop doing that. I already made it like something that I'm going to try to do. Oh, that's what else I got. I got this. Son of a bitch, that fell. I got a new journal, and in here, it's so cute. So I got a new journal, so I'm gonna be writing in this one, so I could tell story times probably like in the future that are in here. But I think it'd be cool just to write things down, and it looks nice. I feel like when you have like a really nice colorful notebook, you tend to like want to write in it and all that. So I'm going to put on new goals, things that I have to do and things that I want to work on and change. So yeah. So that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below if you have any suggestions on what videos to do or any palettes that I should pick up. Technically, it was the Natasha Denona. Is that like a cool tone palette too, now that I think about it? Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.